Here's a nice car. So this is a Ford B-Max. Okay, it's got to be serviced, but that will give it its 9th stamp in the book. Okay, now the nice thing about the B-Max is access. The kids can't smack the car next to you because the doors go like this. Okay, makes it much easier to get in and out of. As you can see, it's automatic, so 1.6 petrol, 5-door. Okay, parking sensors front and rear. It's a 2013 car on a 63 plate. Loads of headroom in the cabin. Loads of space. Really easy to get in and out of. Nice cars these. More spacious than you expect them to be. So let's see what we've got. Let's check out the mileage, shall we? Look at that. 34,177. That's all it's done. 34,177 miles. Your light switch is there with your fog lights at the side. Front and rear fog lights are at the side there, and your dashboard lights. On the door you've got electric mirrors that also fold in. Front and rear electric windows, and you can lock the windows at the back, stop the children playing with them. Okay, on the steering wheel you've got your volume control, your skip button. Let's turn the old radio on. Let's see what we've got. So, as you can see, CD at the top, and radio is DAB, AM and FM. Okay, plus it's got auxiliary. Okay, that's all on this system. Turn that off. Coming down from there, we've got heated front screen and heated rear screen and air conditioning. Your auxiliaries there and your power points there. Okay, and your automatic power shift gearbox. Some cup holders there in the middle. Nice. Little mirror there, keep an eye on the children, see what they're all doing. Mum's got eyes in the back of her head and all that. Right, so just come in, give us a call if you'd like to come and have a look at this car. Okay, being automatic, very sought after at the moment. Petrol automatics, can't get enough of them. So give us a shout, come and have a look. We can show you the car, we can arrange finance to suit your requirements, and we'll also take any vehicle in part exchange. So we'll see you soon down in Windlesham. Bye for now, folks.